You know, like in Disney movies when you like go like that and then just like, or like you just have like magic shooting out of your hands. And
Have you ever seen Harry Potter though?
I imagine it's similar to that.
No.
Oh.
Get off of me.
Hey, I wore this yesterday.
Hey, really?
Yeah. Aw.
Hi, I have Stephanie with me. I'm going to post a link to her vlog down below, so make sure you check it out. It's day 3.
It is day 3.
I'm
wow.
so excited.
I'm so excited.
So let's open it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, day 3.
Day 3.
Are you ready? Do you want to open it?
Okay, it's that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
They go in order.
Ooh, I'm so excited. I know nothing about makeup, but I'm so excited.
I love this color.
Oh,
it's a
looks
liquid
so good.
suede cream lipstick. It's called Starstruck.
Wow.
This?
Yes, you look like the Queen of Hearts.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you hit like and subscribe down below, and make sure you hit out Keeping Up with the Woman's House. Woo! This post is in no way sponsored by Calvin Klein.